If you're still using the same stock characters as everyone else, your videos might be blending in. Here's a tool, alternative to Adobe Express, that lets you use your custom characters. Maybe you felt limited by Adobe Express animation features. If you did, you're not alone. That's how we felt. While it's a great tool for quick projects, it falls short when it comes to customization. And that's why we built ClipsB, which is a powerful text-based animation software that will let you animate your own characters. And in this video, we'll explore why ClipsB is the superior choice for those seeking a more personal touch in their animated character videos. So, what are the limitations of Adobe Express? Adobe Express allows you to animate characters from a selection of pre-made characters and backgrounds, record or upload audio, and the tool will automatically sync the character's lips and mouth movements to your voice. It's a straightforward process, which is ideal for quick and simple animations. However, Adobe Express has its limitations. So one of those limitations is the limited amount of characters that Adobe has provided. We have this list, but as you can see, it has a very specific style of characters which might not fit your needs. You might need something more personalized to your brand. There's no option to import custom characters, and there's no option to customize existing ones. Also, another drawback is that there's only a single character focus. The tool is designed for animating one character at a time, making it challenging to create dialogues or interactions between more characters. So, how does ClipsB address Adobe Express's limitations? Regarding characters, we have a custom character import, which I'll show you in a bit. You also have a character builder, which allows you to create a character based on our templates with our character styles. You can choose a different hairstyle, you can choose the gender, you can choose your own custom voice from 11 Labs or OpenAI. We have some pre-made characters. We'll be adding much more in the near future. We'll also show you how you can create your own custom characters using OpenAI's new image generation tooling. And we can create custom imported characters using this interface. Here's how the character import works. You can either choose separate poses and mouths. As you can see, we have assets for the poses and assets for the mouths, or you can just add them in at the same time. Let's go for separate poses and mouths. Here you can upload as many poses as you want, like you can have 5 character poses, and then you will align the mouths that you have to those poses. We have a simple method of adding mouth shapes, like you can have just an open and a closed mouth if it's hard for you to generate or get assets for your mouths, or you can use the advanced mode, which will have a smoother character mouth movements. Let's create a character. We will create an anime character. I will select this one. I'll have just one pose for now. If you add more poses, you will see them changing. Let's upload our mouth shapes that we've created, and you will have.
My brother bought a brown boat to sail the bay. She sells seashells by the sea.
Yep. Let's go to the next step. You will see the mouth shape floating here, so you can add it to the head. You can rotate it a bit. Let's make it smaller so it fits the shape of the head, and we will see all of our poses here. Let's go to the preview, and you will see how the character will look. Let's save the character. And as you can see, we can now select our character from our custom imported characters. Let's name him Steve.
Hello, this is a sample of my voice.
Yeah, let's choose this voice. It's quite a manly voice for this boy, but I think it could work. Okay, so we've added our character here. We'll make it fit the screen better. And let's save our changes. I will also create another character using the pre-made character visuals. I will choose this girl. Let's name her Sarah. And let's choose a voice.
Hello, this is a sample of my voice.
Hello, this is a sample of my voice.
This will be Sarah's voice. Let's create a character. Let's choose her, set her to the right position. And you can see the preview of the two characters. I will choose a hospital. You can also upload and filter out any of the backgrounds here. So now you see that like the character names have changed, but the script that we've written has like the old names of the old characters. We can just generate a new script, which will be about education and poor countries. We'll set a 1 minute duration for the script, and let's see what is generated. So you can see that we have a script generated, and let's create the video. Now we have to wait for our video to get rendered, and after it's rendered, it will show up in downloads. So our video just rendered. It took a bit of time, as you can see, about 2 minutes, and now we can download it. Let's see what we have.
Hey Sarah, have you ever thought about how education can impact poor countries?
Yeah, I guess education is really important, but how exactly does it help?
Well, education can transform poor countries by improving literacy rates. When more people can read and write, they have better job opportunities.
That makes sense. People with jobs can earn money and support their families, right?
Exactly. But it goes beyond just earning money. Educated individuals tend to make informed health decisions, which can lead to healthier communities overall.
So education can help reduce poverty and improve health? That's a powerful combination.
Yes, and it also empowers people to participate in their government and community issues, driving positive change.
I hadn't considered that. So what challenges prevent education in these areas?
Unfortunately, issues like lack of funding, resources, and access make providing quality education difficult.
Is there any way to overcome those challenges?
Community involvement, government support, and international aid can help provide better educational opportunities.
It seems like a collective effort is needed to really make a difference.
Absolutely. Everyone has a role in creating educational opportunities, ensuring a brighter future for those in disadvantaged regions.
Thanks for explaining, Steve. It's inspiring to see how impactful education can be.
As you can see, it's quite easy to create multiple character dialogue with ClipsB. And while Adobe Express allows you to quickly create character animations, we feel that ClipsB is more powerful and helps you create unique and more engaging videos for your content. If you'd like to see a specific feature in ClipsB that would help you make more engaging content, please write in the comment section below or our Discord channel. This has been Dimitar from ClipsB. I hope I've been helpful. Bye.